Hi guys, I'm Sal, and I've written a song for my new husband Jack. I found this song on YouTube actually, and it was somebody who was looking for someone to write some lyrics for their guitar music. So I thought I'd give it a bash. I'm also donning the Black Label Society t-shirt and the Even Star necklace, which actually Jack bought for me to wear at the wedding, but I was in such a flap, as you bridesmaids know, on the morning of the wedding that I completely forgot to wear it. So here we go, Jack, I'm actually wearing the necklace. And this song I wrote this morning, and it's called Remedy, My Friend, My One True Love, so I hope you enjoy it. Got my little book, hide behind it. I love your smile, it's what my heart beats for, baby. I need you now, come close, you're home to me, darling. It's been a rough, long year, and I know that there will be more to come. But when the cracks appear, love is a remedy. There is no need to hide, even shadows in the night disappear. And when times get rough, love is the remedy. Your hand fits mine, my friend, my one true love, baby. Lie on the grass with me a while. The stars shine bright for us, darling. It's been a rough, long year, and we know that there will be more to come. But when the cracks appear, love is the remedy. There is no need to hide, even shadows in the night disappear. And when times get rough, love is the remedy. Your hand fits mine, my friend, my one true love.